Starting resistance training safely. If you've never engaged in resistance training before or haven't exercised in a while, it's important to start slowly and build up your strength over time. Here are a few tips for getting started safely. Consult a doctor. Before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have any chronic health conditions or concerns, consult with your healthcare provider. They can help determine what level of intensity is appropriate for you. Start small. Begin with bodyweight exercises or resistance bands to get used to the movements. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually add light weights or increase the resistance. Warm up and cool down. Always begin with a warm-up to get your muscles ready and prevent injury. Similarly, cool down with gentle stretches to relax your muscles after your workout. Focus on form. Proper form is crucial in resistance training to avoid injury and maximize effectiveness. If you're unsure about how to perform an exercise correctly, consider working with a trainer or watching instructional videos. Listen to your body. If you experience pain, not to be confused with normal muscle fatigue, stop immediately and consult a healthcare provider. It's important to differentiate between discomfort that comes from muscle building and pain from improper form or injury. How to incorporate resistance training into your daily routine. One of the best things about resistance training is its flexibility. You don't need to spend hours at the gym to see results. Incorporating even a few minutes of resistance training each day can have a profound impact on your muscle strength and overall health. Here's how you can work it into your routine. Home workouts. If you're unable to go to a gym or prefer working out at home, there are countless exercises you can do using your own body weight or resistance bands. Here's how you can work it. Exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks can all be done in the comfort of your living room. Short sessions. You don't need to dedicate an hour each day to strength training. Even 15 to 30 minutes of resistance training a few times a week can lead to noticeable improvements in muscle strength and balance. Incorporate it with other activities. Resistance training doesn't have to be done in isolation. You can combine it with other forms of exercise like walking, swimming, or yoga for a well-rounded fitness routine that supports both muscle and cardiovascular health. With resistance training, you have the power to regain muscle strength, enhance balance, and feel more vibrant than you thought possible. The benefits of this one daily habit go beyond just looking or feeling younger. They directly impact your quality of life, helping you maintain your independence, prevent falls, and enjoy everyday activities with greater ease. The benefits of this one daily habit go beyond just looking or feeling younger. It's never too late to start, and with the right approach, you can restore your muscle strength and vitality and feel better than ever. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to take your fitness to the next level, remember that resistance training is one of the most powerful tools you can use to restore your body's strength and energy, and to start feeling like you're 40 again. In conclusion, the benefits of resistance training are undeniable, particularly as we enter our senior years. While the natural progression of aging leads to muscle loss, a decrease in strength, and a higher likelihood of mobility issues, it doesn't have to be a one-way street. Resistance training has the power to reverse many of these age-related declines, significantly improving strength, balance, and overall vitality. This simple, yet effective habit can not only restore your muscle mass but also enhance your quality of life in ways that go beyond just physical appearance. As we age, our muscles naturally weaken. A process called sarcopenia, the loss of muscle mass and function, sets in. Sarcopenia can lead to a number of issues, including reduced physical performance, difficulty performing daily tasks, and an increased risk of falls. Falls, in particular, are a major concern for seniors. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, 1 in 4 adults aged 65 and older falls each year, and falls are the leading cause of injury-related death in this age group. The loss of muscle mass contributes to this issue because weaker muscles make it harder to maintain balance and support your body. However, resistance training can directly address this problem by strengthening muscles, improving coordination, and reducing the risk of falls. The evidence supporting the benefits of resistance training for seniors is robust and convincing. Studies have shown that strength training can be beneficial even for those well into their 80s or 90s. For instance, a study published in the International Journal of Sport Nutrition and Exercise Metabolism found that adults over the age of 85 who participated in resistance training for just 12 weeks saw an 11% increase in muscle mass and a 46% improvement in strength. These gains are substantial and prove that it is never too late to start incorporating strength exercises into your routine. Resistance training works by placing stress on the muscles, which causes them to adapt, grow stronger, and become more resilient. This process not only increases muscle mass but also enhances bone density, cardiovascular health, and overall functionality. One of the most crucial benefits of resistance training is its ability to rebuild muscle mass. As you age, muscle fibers shrink and become less effective at doing their job. This loss of muscle mass is not just cosmetic. It has a direct impact on your ability to perform day-to-day tasks. Whether it's walking, lifting objects, or even getting up from a chair, muscle strength is required. If you experience significant muscle loss, these activities can become difficult, leading to a loss of independence. By engaging in resistance training, you stimulate your muscles to grow stronger and larger, even if you are starting at a more advanced age. Resistance training helps counteract the effects of sarcopenia and muscle loss. It targets the key muscles needed for functional movements, including the muscles of your legs, core, and arms. By performing exercises that engage these muscle groups, you improve your overall mobility and physical function. Stronger muscles allow you to carry groceries, climb stairs, get in and out of a car, or simply stand up with greater ease. The more independent you are in completing these everyday tasks, the better your overall quality of life will be. One of the most life-changing benefits of resistance training for seniors is its positive impact on balance and coordination. Falls are a common and dangerous risk for older adults. Studies have shown that falls are responsible for around 30% of seniors' injuries, and many of these injuries are serious, including hip fractures, broken bones, and even head trauma. The good news is that strengthening your muscles helps to improve your balance, making it easier for you to maintain stability and prevent falls. Balance is largely controlled by the muscles in your legs, hips, and core. When these muscles are weak, you are more likely to lose your balance, stumble, or fall. Resistance training specifically targets these muscle groups, improving strength, joint stability, and coordination. As a result, seniors who engage in resistance exercises can significantly reduce their fall risk. Furthermore, resistance training can help improve posture, which is essential for overall balance. Poor posture can contribute to imbalance, making it more difficult to stand and walk properly. Resistance exercises that focus on strengthening the core and upper body muscles can help align the spine and improve posture, reducing the risk of falls and injury. Another vital benefit of resistance training is its effect on bone health. As we age, bone density decreases, making bones more brittle and prone to fractures. Conditions like osteoporosis become more common, leading to weakened bones that are highly susceptible to breaking. Resistance training, however, helps stimulate bone growth and prevents the loss of bone density. When muscles pull on bones during resistance exercises, it creates a force that strengthens bone tissue and helps maintain bone mass. Research has demonstrated that resistance training is an effective way to combat osteoporosis and reduce the risk of fractures in older adults. A study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that older adults who performed resistance exercises for just 12 weeks had significantly increased bone mineral density in key areas such as the spine and hips. These areas are particularly vulnerable to fractures in seniors, so strengthening them through resistance training can provide long-term benefits for bone health. Though resistance training is often associated with building muscle, it also has important cardiovascular benefits. One of the lesser-known advantages of strength training is its positive effect on the heart. When you engage in resistance exercises, your heart works harder to deliver oxygen-rich blood to your muscles, and this helps improve overall cardiovascular function. In fact, studies have shown that regular resistance training can lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve circulation. These benefits help reduce the risk of heart disease, a major concern for older adults. Additionally, resistance training can help improve metabolism, which naturally slows down with age. By building muscle, your body becomes more efficient at burning calories even at rest. This can help manage weight, reduce fat, and promote overall health. Furthermore, the metabolic boost you get from resistance training can enhance your energy levels, making it easier to engage in other forms of exercise and daily activities. Physical exercise, including resistance training, can have profound effects on mental health. For seniors, engaging in regular strength exercises can help reduce the symptoms of depression, anxiety, and cognitive decline. Resistance training stimulates the production of endorphins, the body's natural, feel-good chemicals, which help reduce stress and improve mood. The sense of accomplishment and empowerment that comes with building strength can also help improve self-esteem and confidence. Furthermore, Studies suggest that resistance training may have cognitive benefits as well. Regular physical exercise has been linked to improved brain function and memory, and resistance training may play a significant role in protecting against cognitive decline, dementia, and Alzheimer's disease. This is particularly important as we age, as maintaining cognitive function is essential for overall well-being. The best part about resistance training is that it is accessible to nearly everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. Seniors can start with simple exercises using their body weight, resistance bands, or light weights, and gradually increase intensity as they become stronger. It is always a good idea to start slowly and build up gradually, especially if you are new to exercise or have any underlying health conditions. When beginning a resistance training routine, it's important to focus on proper form and technique to avoid injury. Working with a trainer, attending group fitness classes, or following online resources can be helpful for ensuring you are doing the exercises correctly. Additionally, you should listen to your body and stop any exercise that causes pain or discomfort. For seniors with limited mobility or chronic conditions, there are modified exercises that can still provide significant benefits. Even seated resistance exercises or light stretching can improve flexibility, range of motion, and muscle strength. Resistance training is not just a habit, it's a lifestyle change that can dramatically improve your health, vitality, and quality of life as you age. With its ability to restore muscle mass, improve bone health, enhance balance, and boost cardiovascular and mental health, resistance training is the most effective tool for seniors looking to regain strength and maintain independence. By committing to just a few minutes of resistance training each day, you can reap the rewards of increased mobility, improved posture, reduced fall risk, and enhanced energy levels. It is never too late to start, and the earlier you begin, the greater the benefits you will experience. Whether you're just beginning or looking to take your strength to the next level, resistance training will help you feel stronger, more energized, and ready to tackle whatever life throws your way. Don't let age dictate your abilities. Embrace the power of resistance training and unlock a future of strength, vitality, and independence. You deserve it.